Why hire a private investigator for an evidentiary buy or test purchase? Are you considering hiring a private investigator to make an evidentiary buy or test purchase? Are you unsure if it's worth it? In this video, I will share 4 key reasons why it makes sense to consider hiring a private investigator for your next test purchase or evidentiary buy. Hi, I'm Tim Santoni. I'm a licensed private investigator based in Southern California. My clients include Fortune 500 brands and the top IP law firms in the country. I have worked with brand owners and businesses for over 20 years, helping them to protect, clear, register, and enforce their IP rights worldwide. If you're an attorney or a brand owner looking to secure evidence of infringement, counterfeiting, or diversion, then an undercover evidentiary buy is something you should consider. In this video, I'll share the 4 key reasons why engaging an experienced investigator to carry out the test purchase process can be beneficial in your case. First off, an investigator that specializes in intellectual property and brand protection will maintain fronts, which allow them to discreetly approach the subject company and make the purchase without raising suspicion or linking the investigation back to you or your client. Additionally, these fronts allow the investigator to pose as a wholesaler, distributor, or retail customer, which increases the chances of securing a purchase from a suspecting target. The second reason to consider using a licensed private investigator to make an undercover buy is so that the evidence obtained will hold up in court should that be needed. Remember that if you elect to make an evidentiary buy in your own case, you cannot present findings or testify. Additionally, an investigator that specializes in this type of work will provide a comprehensive buy report documenting the whole process along with the chain of custody. This process, reporting, and documentation will ensure that the critical evidence obtained will not be thrown out or contested should the matter end up in litigation. The third reason that a private investigator should be used for an evidentiary buy is because they can conduct follow-up research on the names, email addresses, and locations developed during the buy process. This is very helpful if you're looking to send a cease and desist letter or looking to identify locations where the subject might be making or shipping the goods from. The fourth and final reason to engage an investigator to make an evidentiary buy or test purchase is because once the initial purchase is made, it opens up communication between the subject and the investigator. This allows for follow-up inquiries to be made to get insights on the sources of the products, quantities available, lead times, and other valuable information. Because the investigator is engaging with the subject in a true business context, they are more willing to share information without suspicion. These are just a few reasons why I believe that it makes good sense to engage a private investigator to handle evidentiary buys and test purchases. What have you found? Please share your insights in the comments below. If you have any questions, please let me know.